Hi everybody, it's Patty Lynch, independent consultant with Princess House, and I've been with you for 17 years, and I'm excited to showcase some of the offers that we have going on right now. $350 in sales, you will earn $235 worth of shopping credits because we have an extra $150 shopping spree that you are going to get for $34.95, and of course you're going to get your $85 worth of free credit. But that's not all. You are also going to get these beautiful Marbella peekaboo bow glasses, a set of 4 of these for $34.95. But these early birds are only good until September 28th, so if you want these mugs and the extra $150 shopping spree, you need to act fast. Are you somebody that loves some of our smaller pans? Well, how about our 2-quart, we call it our Paella pan, but it's basically our 2-quart little saucepan. Perfect for Paella, but how about a seafood medley? This can be yours as well. It retails for $149.95, but with $350 in sales, you can get it for $29.95. What a steal! Are you ready to set your holiday tables and get all set up? Look at these beautiful winter berry garden plates. This is your luncheon plate, and of course our winter ruby plates as well. You're going to get 4 of the luncheon plates and 4 of the dinner plates with the $350 part. They retail for $169.90, but you can get them right now for $34.95. Your dinner plate setting will be all set. If also you get the mugs as well, you're going to be all set. Plus you'll get the $85 worth of credit with the $350 party and the $150 shopping spree. So that's the $235 that we were talking about. So now we're going to bump it up to the $550 shopping spree as a whole. This is one of the fan favorites. It's our double burner griddle. It goes across the 2 burners, so that way you can get so much done across 2 burners, so you can get your breakfast all done, have your pancakes, your bacon, everything. Or you can have it for lunch for your grilled cheese sandwiches. Put it in the oven and make a big huge pizza, or for dessert make the cake, or think of your big brownies, right? This is our double burner griddle. It is perfect. It retails for $289.95, but you can get it for $64.95 right now with a $550 party. As well as with the $550 in sales party, something brand spanking new, our new Chocolatera. Look at this. So what you want to do is you're going to put this on your stove. It is induction ready as well, so you can use it for your electric, your gas, or your induction stovetop. Heat up your milk. Then what you're going to do is put your chocolate pieces, your Marbella, any pieces of chocolate in there. This here will stop it from bubbling over, because once it begins to bubble, the milk and the chocolate, as soon as you see coming up the top, you want to lower your heat, and you're going to have the perfect hot chocolate. Now say you're done with your hot chocolate, rinse it, what have you, and if you have your perfect chai teas, herbal teas, your loose leaf teas, it comes with this infuser, so that way you can have your wonderful herbal teas. And now you have your beautiful herbal tea, perfect on the stove, right? It has a beautiful etched lid on the top, our heritage design. It has a silicone on the handle, so you're not going to burn your handle. Pour that beautiful hot relaxing tea that you're going to need. It retails for $179.95, but you're going to be able to get it for $39.95. With a $550 party, you also earn your free credit to go shopping through the catalog, $155. Don't forget about that early bird shopping spree at the beginning. You want to add that $150 shopping spree. Think about the shopping credit you're going to get right now. Unreal. $550 party, you're going to get $305 worth of shopping for $34.95. Okay, now you've reached the 3rd level, a $750 party, and you are a super premium host. I'm so excited for you because you get 3 options plus the shopping credit. So at a $750 party, you get $195 worth of shopping credit for absolutely free. You have to pay tax and shipping, of course. But don't forget about that $150 shopping credit, because now for $34.95, you get 100, no, not 100, but let me think about this now. the normal $195, now you're going to get $345 worth of shopping credit to pick anything out of the catalog for $34.95 with that early bird. And now you get 3 options from Princess House. This one here was a favorite last year. This is our 9-quart fryer, okay? It has beautiful options. First of all, it has a thermometer, so you're going to bring it right up to the right temperature for frying your foods. That's the key. You want to have the right temperature when frying your foods, so that way you're only going to have the oil that you need in there. Another great option that this fryer has is that it has its own grilling, its own tray here, so all the oil is going to drip down, so when you're pulling out your churros or whatever you're frying, you can have it drip here and everything is going to drip right down here. So this is our 9-quart fryer that you're going to get, but that's not all. We have a brand new churro maker. It comes with 3 different dials of stars that you can make for your churros. Which size are you? Small, medium, or large for your churro maker? Churro, I'm right in here, right? Perfect for making your churros. You're going to be able to, for $89.95. Retails for $359. That in itself is a deal, wouldn't you say? They added on our high-power blender. This has been one of the most popular products that we've had ever. We've had it now for 6 years and they have sold so many. It has the 3 programmable buttons, so you can do your dips and spreads, you can do your smoothies, and you can do hot items as well. It retails for over $600, but as a host with $750 in sales, you can get it for under $160. You want to get this one. I use it all the time. Our next one is a 25-quart stock pot. It has the beautiful lid. It also comes with a steaming rack inside, but you can also use this for a cooling rack if you're making any cookies. This is great for your steam boils or a big batch of chili or anything like that. This retails for $389.95, but you'll be able to get it for $89.95 right now. So are you ready to start saving and elevating your kitchen? If you are, reach out to me, plynch196@gmail.com or 978-870-8910, and I can help you get these into your home today. If this is being forwarded from one of my team members, please reach out to them, because you should be able to get all of these when you collect your own outside orders, do a catalog show or a Facebook party, a texting party, any one of those. And remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic day. Thank you again. Bye-bye.